Kids, let's see which are the words starting with the letter M. M for mango. M for milk. M for mushroom. Kids, now we are going to learn capital M and small m. How will we draw capital M and small m? We need three shapes: standing line and two slanting lines. First we draw a standing line upward like this, a standing line. From this top, we draw a slanting line downward like this. And from this bottom, we should draw a slanting line upward like this. And from this top, we draw a standing line downward like this. This is capital M, very simple. And how we draw a small m? First, we draw a standing line like this. A small curve, simply a small curve. Make a small curve like this. And then from here, draw a curve like this. And draw a standing line downward. Then from here, make another curve like this and draw a standing line downward. This is small m. Once again, capital M, small m. Understood? Capital M, small m. Capital M, small m. Words starting with the letter N. N for nest. N for net. N for night. Kids, let's move to the next letter, capital N. How will we draw capital N? First we draw a standing line upward like this. Upward standing line. Then draw a downward slanting line. Then again draw upward standing line. Very simple. This is capital N. Then we have small n. Draw a curved standing line, small standing line like this. Then from here make a small curve and make it as a standing line like this. This is small n. Once again. Capital N. Small n. Once again. Capital N. Small n. That's all. I hope you all understood very well. Words starting with the letter O. O for octopus. O for ostrich. O for owl. Now we are going to learn one of the simplest letter in the English 26 English alphabet. That is capital O and small o. We need only this curve shape. First we draw this shape like this and make it as a circle like this. This is called capital O. And a small circle, this is small o. Once again, capital O, small o. Capital O, small o. Capital O, small o. Bye kids. See you next time. If you find this video useful, please support us. Like, share and subscribe. And press bell button to receive notifications. Thank you.